You heard me? I'm saying, look, you heard me? I'm outside, you dig? I'm talking about, got my poo shiesty, you heard me? Got my poo shiesty joint on, you heard me? You dig? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Hey. Got my poo shiesty joint on, you heard me? Yeah, I'm outside, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful life, baby. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Big chisel. You heard me, not the little one. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? You dig? You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen. Where the hot girls at? You heard my mom, she in Miami. I'm talking about South Beach. You heard me? About to ride the motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? About to ride the jet skis, you dig? Out here with my hoochie daddy shorts on, you heard me? With no drawers on, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I was coming down, you know what I'm saying? Shorts, no drawers, you heard me? I'm coming down, you dig? Shorts, you know what I'm talking about? No drawers, you heard me? You dig? Slippers, you heard me, with the socks. Hey, slippers with the socks. You dig? Balenciaga, I can't pronounce that shit. Balenciaga drawers with no, Balenciaga shorts with no drawers on. You heard me? Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Balls hanging. You dig? What a hot girl said who trying to parasail from a real nigga nuts. You heard me? Hey, listen. If you trying to parasail from a real nigga nuts, you heard me? Holla at a gangster, man. You heard me? That's how I'm doing it, man. You dig? Real nigga shit. Uptown. You heard me? VL13. We in the building. Yeah, man. Nigga live from South Beach, man. You heard me? Mm-hmm. Please believe it. And shout out to my dog Bees on this bitch. You heard me? I'm saying, wow. Wow. You heard me? We outside. Yeah. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick. Hey, I'm saying, them haters don't like that. Oh, them haters don't like that. Hey, but nah, though. Real nigga shit, man. Heart of the street, man. After the sentencing coming soon, man. Right now, though, nigga just letting their head on. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? Enjoying this life right now. It's 4:20. It'll be count time. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? Hey, ain't no more count time. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? We count these ass cheeks that's out here. You heard me? Yeah. You heard me? Sun out, buns out. You heard me? Wow.
Sunday fun day.
Yeah, nah, man. You heard me? I gotta protect the hair. You heard me? Yeah, man. You dig? You know what I'm saying? I don't want my shit to get wet. You heard me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, shit, man. When you got the, yeah, man. I got the motherfucking, you heard me? Gotta protect that man. You heard me? Please believe it. Mm-hmm. What's yeah? Hey. Hold on. It's all on you, volume 1 and 2. You heard me? Please believe it. They on this bitch, man. They laughing at me, man. Don't laugh at me, man. You heard me? You know I'm a little institutionalized, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? A little rough around the edges. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? You know the last laugh is the best laugh. You heard me? Nah, that's a fact. You heard me? Anything else would be uncivilized, man. Nigga out here living their best life right now, man. You heard me? Traverse City in a motherfucking building. Big Uptown. You heard me? You did? Yeah, man. That's how we do it. It's kind of hot out here. You heard me? But I told y'all it's going to be a hot boy summer. You heard me? Yeah, that's how we doing it. know what I'm talking about?
They ain't ready on
Under the
thing,
motherfucking, under the whoop-de-whoop. You dig?
You said 5
By the
o'clock.
motherfucking jump on this
shoot at 5
motherfucking.
o'clock.
You dig? Oh.
They just locked the room.
Who that is over there? Oh, alright. They out here trying to catch an MIA, you heard me? Man, I ain't lying. This shit serious, you heard me? Yeah.
I'm seeing on Real Town.
Oh, you getting the after man,
Yeah, it's like a...
Man, come on, man. You know nigga ain't rocking no beard, man. Stop playing, man. Nigga too well preserved for that. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Nigga making 40 look good. You heard me? They say I pressed pause on my age when I went to jail, man. You heard me? I went in that bitch at 29, and I'm 29. You heard me? I came out 29. You heard me? So that's how I'm rocking. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? Nigga tell me I'm too old, bitch. I'm 29 out here. You heard me? Yeah. You heard me? Get with the program, man. You dig? 29, looking for a 29-year-old. You heard me? Yeah, I'm taking applications for all whippersnappers. You heard me? Oh, man, nigga play too much, man. Yeah, buddy. Hey, nah, man, but listen. I just wanted to tune in one time, man. Share this moment with y'all, man. You heard me? All the hot girls, all the hot boys. Y'all know what it is. Hot boy summer in full effect. You heard me? If you ain't outside, you heard me, you playing. You know what I'm talking about? You in the way. You heard me? Cause it's real out here. You heard me? I'm talking about, yeah. Oh. I'm talking about they tanning out shit. You heard me? They tanning good. You heard me? Man, I used to look at this shit in the Cosmopolitan magazine. You know what I'm saying? All my little magazines, all the motherfucking man, I had so many magazines, man, where I used to be like, damn, I can't wait till I get back out there. You heard me? I'm back out here now though. You heard me? It's serious. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? So all you bitch ass niggas, y'all keep on hating. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? Why y'all hating? You know what I'm saying? Y'all hoes in a nigga DM. You know what I'm saying? You dig? Trying to, you heard me? You dig? I ain't even much going, you heard me? They trying to get chosen. You heard me? So y'all better, you know what I'm talking about? Why y'all worrying about me? You heard me? Y'all need to be worrying about you. You heard me? Because I'm not. You dig? I'm doing what a real nigga's supposed to do. You heard me? Please believe it. Yeah, man. I'm enjoying myself. Big fat bullshit ain't nothing. You hear me? Wow. What's up, Red Angel? I see you with the blue check. You hear me? Hey, nah, I can't show you the view. You hear me? Then you might know my location. You hear me? I don't want to do it like that. They're like that. There. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? I don't want to set the beach off. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker get to pulling up on the nigga. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't going to do it like that. I'm at an undisclosed location on the beach. You dig? With my motherfucking ball swinging.
Come on, man.
You know what I'm saying? They ready? Yeah. Alright, I got to go, man. You hear me? I'm out to jump in this water, man. You hear me? Y'all be good, man. Love y'all, man. Keep it 1,000, man. Keep it 100, man. You hear me?